Hey, Potato Head, thank you for your sound of appreciation for my last video. If you haven't checked my last video, you can watch it from here, or I will leave the link in the description for you. Hey, if you are someone who is struggling to make money in your student life, or struggling to make extra money for yourself or for your family from a 9-to-5 job, don't worry. In today's video, I will guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how anyone can make passive income using AI by following simple steps. This video is the continuation of my previous video. In this video, I will show you how I've been able to generate 60 minutes long lo-fi music for completely free using AI in just a few simple clicks. But before we dive into the video, please do me a favor. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. If you want to win $2,500, I'm giving it away when my channel hits 100K subscribers. Feel free to join and subscribe. Step 1. Go to Aiva AI. If you don't know what Aiva is, let me brief you. Aiva is a realistic AI music generator, where you can generate AI music for unlimited time, but there is a catch with the free version. You will not be able to download more than 3 times in a month. To be able to download more than 3 times in a month, you have to sign up using referral link in the description. Now let's generate the music. Click on Create a Track. You can find a lot of genres of music are available here. Let's look for Lofi music. You can also preview the demo. Now let's create a track. You can select any key signature for your song. It will give you a different variation of music, or leave it as an auto. For duration, select 3 minutes. For composition, you can select your desired number. It will generate the music according to the number you select. Wait for a few seconds. Now, listen to your music. If you like the music, just download it. But for the sake of the video, let me generate more music. When your music is ready, listen to it and download it. When you downloaded the music more than 3 times, you have reached the limit of the free version. But for 60 minutes of songs, we need to download at least 18 more music. Click the link in the description. Sign up using my referral link. If you want to download it more than 3 times, it is completely free. Now repeat the same process until you finish your downloading. Let me fast forward the video. Now it's time for the background image. Head over to the Leonardo AI. Log in with your account. And start typing your prompt. Start generating your image with the prompt. When you find the right one, download it. Now let's generate a landscape image. For those who are still watching my video, I have put a download link for all the images that I have generated. You can download them and use them on your project. Now download your image. Go to Photopea, drag your image. Select the polygonal lasso and start marking the area of the window and hit the backscape. Do this until you finish all the window areas. Now export your image as a PNG. Now we need to add motion to our image. Go to Runway ML. Log in with your account. Drag your image. Select the motion brush features and start marking the area where you want to add motion. Don't forget to play with vertical, horizontal, and proximity features. And don't overdo it. Keep on generating until you get your desired result. Follow the same process for a landscape image and download it. Now we need to remove the runway ML watermark from the video. Go to the online video cutter, drag your video. Select the area of the watermark. Click Save. Wait a few seconds. And download it. Go to YouTube. Search for Snowfall green screen video. And download it. Now open your video editing software. Import all the videos. Drag your landscape video to the bottom. Then drag the snowfall video. And at last, drag the final video. Now match the video length with the final video. Don't forget to remove the green screen with chroma key. You can also compound your clips together. When you remove the green screen, your snowfall video will be visible outside the window. Make sure to adjust it properly. Now let's do some color adjustment. It will add a little bit of texture to our video. Let's export the video. Now import your AI-generated music and video. Drag them to the timeline one by one. Copy and paste the video. And adjust it. Now export the video. Now we have to upload our video to our YouTube channel. Let's type our title and copy and paste our description from our previous video. Look, we don't have any claims on our video, which means we can monetize our channel. Let me publish it and show you. Look, there's no claim in our video. We can also increase our earning potential by uploading to various online streaming platforms or offering our services on a freelancing website. If you want to watch full video, I will leave the link in the description.